welcome back to another vlog. So right now I am waiting with Lawrence. He's over here and we are doing another shoot today. So there is this like Bape collab. I'm sure you guys have seen it on Instagram and Hypebeast and Highsnob and whatnot, and they have this truck thing that's around the area, so we're gonna suss it out and take some photos. So I'm really excited. I hope the pop-up looks good. And then later, as usual, we're gonna go get some food. But right now, we're in an office space and it feels very serious. Yeah. It feels very serious and we're in like a separate room. So that's why I'm talking. But yeah, I don't know. I love the little like cactus on the outside. Look at this. This is so cute. But anyway, guys, I'll bring you guys to the pop-up in a little bit. So I'll see you soon. We made it to the Bape truck. Look at this, it's so cute. I'll come around this side to show you guys. And so it is a truck that's wrapped in this Bape print. I love it so much. I can actually go inside the truck later on as well. And don't laugh at me, guys, because I knew that I was coming to do a Bape shoot. I brought my little Bape cushion. If you guys watch my video, you always see this on my couch. So I brought him along with me today, just in case we can use him as a prop. But yeah, for now, I think we're just gonna take some photos in front of the truck. I just don't know what my hair is doing these days, guys. But anyway, we're done with the shoot. I didn't show you guys the inside of the truck. There was like the Bape print inside of the truck, and I wish like my apartment had some Bape wallpaper. I think that would look really, really good. And I'm so glad that I brought my little prop with me because I think he blended in very well with the environment. So we're back in the city and we're at Belle's Hot Chicken because we just couldn't decide what we wanted to eat or where to go. I always get the drumsticks with the fries, and I always get really hot, which is the not the hottest one, but the one before. No, the one below. No, the one before.
Second from the top.
Yeah, second from the top. Anyway, it's not the hottest one. It's the one just before the hottest one. I hope I'm making sense. So good. So I just changed my outfit because I wanted to shoot the Ambush Nike fit, and also I'm doing B-roll for my video that is probably already up by the time you see this vlog. So yeah, guys, this is the outfit. I know it looks a little bit much. I even have the ambush dumps on, sorry. That thing that you saw is my camera strap. So yeah, we're just at the RMIT building. I've shot here so many times. It's where I go to when I just can't decide where to go because it looks clean. I like the background that you guys can see. So I feel like a lot of people come here to shoot as well. So anyway, I just need to get this done quickly because I don't know, I'm just so stressed today because I have so many things to do. So yeah, okay, let's get I don't know what I was saying. Let's just start shooting. Let's do this. All right. Oh my gosh, this wind. I think we're done shooting this outfit. So I changed back into my CPFM Kid Cudi hoodie because that ambush fit was a little bit much to be casually walking around. But yeah, I got some gelato because I was just really feeling like I wanted something sweet after that fried chicken. It was so good, by the way. Belle's is definitely one of my favorite spots. Isn't this gelato so cute with the little cone? I couldn't decide if I wanted cup or cone, so I got both. So the flavors I got is peanut butter and cookies and cream, and then underneath, I don't think you guys can see, but it's pistachio, which is my favorite flavor when I get gelato. Do any of you guys do this like ice cream cup cone thing? I actually learned it from Lawrence. The first time I had gelato with him, I'm just like, what are you doing? I'm like, that is a great idea. I'm at Piccolina in the city. Really loved the gelato, but we couldn't actually decide where to go for dessert. This is
a pre-dessert dessert.
Yeah, I don't know whether we're gonna go and get more food because every time I have something sweet, then I feel like having something savory. It's like a cycle, you know? So we might grab something else after, but for now, let me enjoy my gelato. So I ordered a spicy miso udon and it came in this hot pot, like a nabe. And it looks so big. I'm actually not that hungry because I had the gelato, but I feel like something savory, and that is why we're eating. By the way, guys, I don't think I showed you guys this before, so it's a little bit dirty. I don't usually wear thongs, but I feel like this is so cute with the Bape print. And then I also have the blue colorway, and there's also a pink colorway. So anyway guys, once again, every time I do a shoot with Lawrence, a lockdown happens. So we just got news that there's going to be a lockdown at 8 p.m. tonight. So I'm glad that we managed to shoot the Bape stuff and also the ambush stuff. We're going to be under lockdown for the next 7 days, which I'm actually not mad about because I have so much content to work on. So I'm kind of excited to work on that content. I do have to finish a video tonight though, so I will be up late. But yeah, is this a curse? Like every time Lawrence and I hang out, it's a lockdown. I don't know what else is going to be happening in this vlog. Probably just me staying at home and eating stuff. And I'm still very tempted to order those donuts that I had in my last vlog. It was so good. But maybe I shouldn't do that because I ate the whole box in one day. That was not... I ate 6 donuts in one day. Anyway, okay. So here is a little bit of the behind the scenes for the Lego photo that I took. So look at my ratchet little backdrop. This is what you guys don't see. And on Instagram, you would have noticed that the bananas look a little bit better as well because I bruised them when I was bringing them home. And I bought so many bananas for this photo, so I guess I'll be eating a lot of bananas over the next few days or weeks and maybe make some banana bread. And then I also put some of these Lego dots because there's some of them on the sneakers, so I thought it would tie in together, and I had some like spare Lego pieces. So yeah, that is how I took that photo. I don't know whether you guys wanted to know that or not. I'm definitely going to be eating a lot of bananas over the next few days. I might make some banana bread. Like I said, it doesn't look like that much, but it is quite a lot. And yeah, I mean, I haven't edited the photo, so I hope it turned out well. I'm not too sure. I had the vision, but I don't know whether I executed it successfully, if that makes any sense. But yeah, I hope you guys already saw the photo on Instagram. And yeah guys, we are under lockdown, so I've been occupying myself just doing all this content and stuff. I've just been so busy the last few days because I've had to do like the Bape slipper things. They were so cute. And then, I don't know, I just feel like I'm so fully entertained by myself. So anyway guys, I need to review the photos I just took and hopefully they turn out well. I already know I'm gonna spend quite a bit of time editing the photos because the bananas are a little bit bruised because I was carrying them back from the supermarket and I bruised them, okay? Because I was walking and I like had them in my... Anyway, you guys don't need to know that. So I don't know what else is happening in this vlog. Obviously, if there's anything exciting, I will let you guys know. So I guess I will see you tomorrow, maybe? I don't know. Good morning guys. So I'm just having my breakfast right now. I made some banana bread the other day because you guys saw all the bananas that I got to take that photo, and so far I've probably only used up like 4 or 5 of them. So the bananas are getting very overripe, and I know that I can freeze them, but the thing is I already have so many frozen bananas in my freezer. I have this habit of buying a bunch of bananas and only eating one, and then the rest will get super ripe, and then I would just freeze them because I tell myself that I'll use them for smoothies and stuff, and then I never end up making smoothies. So then I just have a lot of frozen bananas in my freezer, and now I have to freeze those as well. So anyway, maybe I should make myself make smoothies so I can use up the bananas. But yeah guys, anyway, not that you guys wanted to know about my bananas. This morning I had a Zoom call / meeting because one of my friends that live in Brisbane, she got married today and I'm so happy for her. Meanwhile, I'm still here single trying to buy all the sneakers. The Bape truck that you guys saw at the beginning of the video, that thing is not happening anymore, which is really unfortunate because the truck was really cool. So the initial idea for that pop-up truck was that it was gonna be in selected locations in Melbourne City and you could go pick up the Bape collab from that truck, which is really cool. But because the lockdown in Melbourne has been extended, so obviously that truck thing was not an option. All the photos that I took with Lawrence that day, I couldn't use them anymore because they were all in front of the truck. So I had to take some new photos by myself. So the photo that I posted on my Instagram was actually taken by me with my tripod. I hope you guys give it a like because it was the only thing I could do. I did my best. And the reason why my hand is in my pocket is because I have this little controller that controls my camera so that I can take my photos myself. But I felt a little bit awkward, you know, on the street with my tripod taking my own outfit. But sometimes you just gotta get it done. So yeah, anyway guys, I'm going on a full tangent. Another thing I want to update you guys on is that I managed to pick up some of the Course CDG collab. I'm so happy. So thank you, Michael, for sending me the link to those items because he initially sent me the DSM, like Dover Street Market link, and I was a little bit too late to it. And by the time I got to the site, all the t-shirts and hoodies were sold out. They had some of the shirts. They are a little bit higher in terms of price point, so I was kind of deciding if I should get them. And also I couldn't decide what size to get because I don't have any CDG shirts. I do have my eye on the green one with the pink details. I'm still thinking about it, but anyway, as I was trying to decide on my size, I just decided to wait and not pick it up just yet because it didn't seem like one of those items that was going to sell out immediately. So I didn't buy it. And then a few days later, Michael, thank you again, sent me the link to the Melbourne CDG store and they ended up stocking the whole collection. So there was the t-shirts, the hoodies and everything. So I picked up quite a few of the tees and one of the hoodies. So I did a click and collect, but I don't think the CDG store is open because of lockdown. They are open, I think, Monday, Wednesday and Fridays for collection. So when I go get groceries in the city, I might go past the CDG store next week and pick them up, and then obviously I'll do an unboxing together with you guys. I'm so excited, and I'm glad they got the collection because when everything does open back up, I definitely want to go in store and try the shirt in person so that I can figure out my sizing. But for now, I'm really happy that I managed to pick up the t-shirts and the hoodie, and also I told you guys that I picked up some of the Course Human Made stuff and that is still on its way. So yeah, very excited for all my Course collab things that are on the way to me. I feel like I just repeated my sentence. But anyway, one more thing I want to share with you guys before I end the video is that I managed to pick up the Casetify Sorayama phone case, and I didn't get the super expensive one. They had one that was limited edition, and that was I think 1,550 Australian dollars, and they did a raffle for that. That was the stainless steel one, and then they also had another one that was maybe $400 or $500, but I was like, okay, maybe not. So I got the regular one, and this was 160 Australian dollars, which is still on the higher side for a phone case, but I think it looks really good, so I'm so happy. But yeah guys, I just wanted to show you. I'm not going to show you too closely right now because it's reflective. You can see all the mess that's behind the camera, so I need to get that sorted. But anyway guys, I have to go. My memory card is telling me that it's full because I didn't clear it out. So thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up and please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And I will see you guys really soon. Bye!